What's up, YouTube? It's John, or Undead. I still haven't figured out my intro. Either it's John or I'm John. Slash. Anyway, sorry. Yesterday I kind of elaborated on why I'm in a nursing home. But the reason that I'm in a nursing home contributes to why I have mental health issues. Putting it simply, I moved from my dad's house to my mom's 12 years ago, something like that. I lived with my dad for like 10 years. Okay, so, and as I said in one of my previous videos, I'm handicapped. So, the reason I moved in with my mother was because I was having health issues, and, well, my dad works a lot, and he wasn't able to take care of me much. So, I moved in with her. Previous year, or after that, I can't remember which. It's still kinda. My grandfather passed away. Okay? And in the meantime, when I moved to my mom, my brother followed me. Possibly because he was the only one at the house left. My sister moved. And so, I guess after that, his own mental health started to decline. He was diagnosed firstly with ADHD, then bipolar, and now we're not even sure what the hell he is. I mean, sorry. But the time span of when I moved here, 2 years ago, by the way, and at home was, yeah, he would have a very short temper, very short fuse, for no reason, nothing. He would be around ranting and raving and all this other stuff. He dang near, well, eventually he did beat the crap out of my mom's fiance and tackled her eventually. This was a while ago, so. But imagine, A, I'm not able to really go anywhere, so I'm stuck there. B, I'm the witness to the whole thing. And imagine being in that position and then being fearful of what's gonna happen next. Yeah. So, to sum it up, my mental health, I've got PTSD, which for those of you that don't know, post-traumatic stress disorder, which stems from a traumatic, terrifying event or events, and there you go. That's the long and short of it. I moved here because I had enough, and I just needed to get away from it. Now, I lived in a facility prior to here, Winning Wheels. That didn't work out very well. No. I was young, I was dumb. But, because of that, I'm here. But like I said, was it my last one or the one before that? But I want to get an apartment, possibly through Skyline or something like that. I don't know yet, but that's my story. Please, leave in the comments what you guys want to know about me next, and I will gladly tell you. Have a good one. Gosh dang it, come on. Have a good one.